crime branch has busted one fake certificate racket and has arrested 5 accused involved in it. According to crime branch, accused namely Bindi Parab, who is resident of Gondalim, is the mastermind of this entire racket, and the investigation has revealed that so far she has issued approximately 20 fake certificates. Crime branch has also arrested Bhavesh Haldankar, who was working as agent for Bindi Parab. Crime branch has further 3 receivers of fake certificates, namely Niraj Gawade, Vishnudas Bhomkar and Yeshwant Kholkar. They received fake certificate from Bindi and Bhavesh after paying approximately 25 to 35,000 rupees. During the preliminary interrogation, Bindi Parab has disclosed that she used to charge 25 to 35,000 rupees for issuing 10th to 12th standard fake certificate and 55 to 1,35,000 rupees for issuing graduate course fake certificates. Investigation in this matter is further going on.
इथले मुजगती काँग्रेस प्रदेशाध्यक्ष अमित पाटकरान मडगावच्या मायनॉरिटी स्कूलाचे प्रकरण लेगीत बीजेपीचेच म्हण आरोप केला
की मडगांव एक जे स्कूल जातून नोकर भरती जाल्यो ज्यो सर्टिफिकेट थंय लायल्या त्यो सगळ्यो फेक आणि ते लिंक खंय वता ते लिंक परत बीजेपीच्या मायनॉरिटी सेल चेअरमॅना कडेन वता